That's what the big tree right outside the front door. That's how big it got. It's doing something, but see, there's no one on the road. It's doing something. I don't know if it's just blowing it around or it's actually happening, but they don't expect it to be overnight. We aren't getting the snow. See, I'm like real close to where it's more coastal, where you get an icy mix, rain and sleet, and maybe you can see some of what's happening here. But it's very, very fine. The snow is so moist and dense. It's not nice. Nobody's out. Here comes another plow. And it might be more snow out west, you know, closer to Pennsylvania, you know, northwest Jersey. But here, I'm closer to Union County, which is closer to the water. Elizabeth being technically a coastal town. I love you, honey. And why don't you send me a picture of what it looks like down there? That would lift my spirits. I love you. Bye. Hi, Ace. Ace, hi.